Have you ever struggled with getting your code to autocomplete in Visual Studio Code? It can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to work with React components. If that's you, stick around because today we're going to solve that problem together. I totally get it. You want to be productive and not waste time typing out prop types manually. You're not alone in this. Many developers face the same issue when working with JavaScript and React. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I make Visual Studio Code autocomplete my React components prop types while using JSX markup? This is a common challenge, especially for those using JavaScript instead of TypeScript. So, why does this happen? Visual Studio Code relies on certain configurations and extensions to provide auto-completion features. Without the right setup, you might miss out on these helpful tools. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I will share a fantastic extension that can supercharge your coding experience in React. To enable autocomplete for React component prop types in Visual Studio Code, the user should start by installing the prop types library. This library helps define the types of props that a component can receive. Next, the user needs to import prop types into their React component file. This allows them to define the expected prop types for their component. Now, the user should define the prop types for their component. This is done by adding a prop types property to the component, specifying the types for each prop. Finally, the user can use their component in JSX markup. When they do this, Visual Studio Code will provide autocomplete suggestions based on the defined prop types. Fun fact, did you know that React was developed by Facebook and released to the public in 2013? It's amazing how quickly it has become a staple in web development. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to enable autocomplete for React component prop types in VS Code is to use prop types. First, you'll need to install the prop types package. Then, you can define prop types for your component, which helps with IntelliSense support. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using prop types for class components. This method allows you to define the expected types for your component's props, enhancing autocomplete functionality in VS Code. Here's the extension I promised. It's called React Prop Types Autocomplete. This extension will enhance your coding experience by providing auto-completion for prop types directly in your JSX. And there you have it. With the right extensions and setup, you can make Visual Studio Code auto-complete your React components prop types effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.